Unlock the power of automation for your Discord server and say goodbye to manual tasks. In this video, we'll show you how to effortlessly connect Discord with Zapier, transforming your community management and workflow first. Head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. We'll want to choose Discord as our trigger app. Search for Discord and select it for this example. Let's say we want to send a message to Discord whenever a new blog post is published on our website. Next, choose your Discord trigger event. Zapier offers many options, such as new message posted to channel, new member joined, or new channel created. For our blog post example, we'll select a trigger that aligns with our external app. Like a webhook, you'll then be prompted to connect your Discord account. Authorize Zapier to access your Discord server. Now it's time to set up your Discord action. Select Discord as your action app and choose what you want to happen in Discord. This could be sending a message, creating a new channel, or even assigning a role for our blog post scenario. Let's select Send Channel Message. Here's where the magic happens. You'll configure the message itself. You can pull in data from your trigger app like the blog post title, author, and a link, and format it into a compelling notification for your Discord server. You can specify which channel the message should be sent to. Take your time to customize this to perfectly fit your community's needs. Once you've finalized your message content and the target channel, review your settings. You can then test your Zap to ensure it's working as expected. Finally, turn on your Zap. From now on, every time your trigger event occurs in another app, Zapier will automatically perform the action you've set up in Discord, saving you time and keeping your community informed. Supercharge your Discord experience and streamline your workflow. Start automating with Zapier today.